How to fix login errors on TikTok. There are many reasons as to why you might be having login errors on TikTok. Now, the couple of ways to fix that is, first, we want to make sure it is not the issue with our internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, try to switch to Wi-Fi and make sure it's not the Wi-Fi issue. Next thing, it could be the TikTok application problem. So whenever you use a certain app for a prolonged period of time, it could incur some type of issues. So you can just go to the app info page on Android, right? If you're using iPhone, you can try reinstalling or offloading the app. For Android users, you can long press the app and go to the app info page, where you can simply go to storage, clear cache, and just make sure to clear the data as well. So once you clear the cache files and data, it will clear everything that you have downloaded or logged in within the TikTok app. Now you can try to reopen the TikTok app and re-log in to your account. So now you can go ahead and simply allow all the permissions of your choice, and once you've done that, come to the profile page, go to the login page. Now it could be that because if you signed up with Google, you have to continue and log in with Google. You cannot enter your email and username manually and differently. So if you only use your phone number and username to log in, you can enter that. But if you usually signed up with Google, Facebook, or Twitter, try to log in using those. Otherwise, it could also be the case that you happen to forget your password. So when you forgot your password, sometimes what happens is, in that case also, you could be having the issue. So you can try to reset your password. Otherwise, you can just, if you created your account with Google just like me, I will select continue with Google, and just like that, I'll be logged into my TikTok account. It's as simple as that. So I hope this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.